PSVR2 tipped to run AAA games, and that's a huge deal for PS5. Sony is currently working on bringing out a new PSVR model known as PSVR2. It is also being said that the manufacturer has displayed the new next-gen VR headset at a developers conference and demonstrated its highlights. Sources say that Sony has spilled the codename, features, specs, and game strategy. The device is codenamed Next Gen VR, but will be better known as PSVR2. From what we have been able to hear up until now, the PSVR2 is packed with many new advanced features. The controller has sensitive touch sensors attached to it, which can perceive whether the player is holding the controller or just using the buttons. And not just that, the sensors will also be able to tell how far the fingers are from the buttons. Crazy, right? The exciting part is that Sony is considering focusing on console-quality AAA games. This implies that they will be releasing some hybrid games that could be played on the PSVR2 or your television. Additionally, you will also choose to either install it in the PS5 version or the standard VR version. We can also guarantee that the new VR headset will offer a better field view. It is said that the next-gen VR headset will offer a view of 110 degrees, which is 10 degrees more than the previous PSVR. The headset will also have a better resolution of 2000 by 2040 OLED 4K display. The current PSVR has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 OLED display. The sources also spilled that the PS5 will have a single cable connection to the console. The sad part is that the PSVR2 isn't expected to be released anytime soon. But we are sure excited to see what Sony has been cooking lately and whether all the hype is worth it or not. That is all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.